Stop everything you got. Put down this. Take two. Hey, all those animation lover out there, you probably didn't know the experience that you have seen Mulan. Actually, I got to become this character, right? Well, these are all the behind the experience that you are going to experience with VRLU with me on my master's animation courses. Come join me now. You can do it. We just finished filming character design, how we use different shapes and put your character design together as I'm demonstrating Kendu. So please come, join me, you can do it. Hey, next we're going to be building your character and make your character come to life. Make sure they are moving, right? This is animation, so make him come alive. You can do it. Kung Pao chicken. It only was successful. Take two. Besides moving your character, what happened? Color, right? Color makes your character have moved. So you got to make sure your story and your animated characters have color. Make it come alive. You can do it. After you put colors, after you put amazing shapes and design, what do you need? Environment. So let's create a wonderful background for your characters to come alive on. You can do it. Ever thought about creating your own animated films? Well, since you learned all these stuff, why not put them together? Get your character, get the storyboards, put them on the walls, and here only that you can learn from Master Davy Liu. You can do it. Guys for coming to my studio and experience this creative animation process of character design to storyboards to develop your dream to come to life. So again, thank you, exclusive here at VRLU. Come back again, you can do it.